And look! Today we are going to do a Molly's Moments of this Hatchimo. Says you can turn it on. Yeah, cut. A unicorn. Top of her head. This is the unicorn. How do you turn her on now? How do you turn this thing on? How does she talk? Hello? Sound chip on. What does it say? Come on. Come on. All that she sings is happy birthday and goo goggy, goo goggy. And oh. And hoo 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 hoo. And boo. Thanks for watching this episode of Molly's Moments. Hatching! Bye! Thanks for watching this Molly's Moments. I hope that you had fun. Come and click to subscribe. You can order these online or just come and play with me. Bye!